Sarap yung breakfast. Good morning! Happy Monday! So today is, anong araw ba today? Today is, what day is it today? Oh, it's April 22. April 22 today. And today is Monday. Ito na yung coffee ko. Iced coffee na ginawa namin kahapon. Tuwan-tuwa talaga ako sa kanya. Yung iced coffee and then, ito, yung bread na binili namin kahapon sa Valerios. So, yun. And, today, so kahapon, nagpunta kami sa...
Marcos!
No, we went to Walmart. Kahapon nagpunta kami sa Walmart and then sa Seafood City. Nag-onting grocery lang and then bumili ako ng table dun sa Walmart. Yung gagawin kong office table. Pero hindi talaga siya office table. Ano lang siya, yung plastic na table na pang outdoor. Yun muna yung gagawin kong office table temporarily since uuwi din naman kasi kami ng Pinas. So, hindi naman masyado magagamit yun dito. Kaya, yun na lang muna temporary yung table ko. And aayusin natin siya sa taas. Kasi, naiirita ako na, ayan o, ang kalat. Kasi dito ako nag-office. Ito yung dining area namin. Ang mahal kasi ng table na to. Tapos, nasira na namin siya. Nagasgasan na siya, ganyan, and all. And ayoko sana na nagagasgasan siya or nakukulayan or nadudumihan. Kasi nga, mahal yung table. So, doon na lang ako sa taas mag-work. So, alisin ko yan lahat para purely for dining lang yung ano na yan, yung table na yan.
It was the
Yes?
soap, Mom. It was the soap.
Yeah, it's the soap.
It was my fault, Mom.
No, it's okay. It's nobody's fault. Did you eat na? Did you finish your food na?
Yes.
Okay, say good morning.
Good morning. Today is Thursday.
Today is Monday. You have a class later. You have a class
It's
later.
under an egg.
Today is... finish your food. Did you finish your food?
Yeah? I tell you.
And then drink your water next.
What?
Okay, and... Yan. Tapos mamaya, itatry kong magluto ng lomi. Kasi, one time ko pa, isang beses ko pa lang siya nagawa. I think, ano pa yun eh. Super tagal na noon. Parang baby pa si Chloe, mga 1-year-old pa lang siya nung ginawa, nag-try akong mag-lomi. And kahapon nakakita kasi ako nung ano, yung parang pasta ng lomi. So, gawa tayo ng lomi mamaya. And then yung isasahog namin is mga dumplings lang and chicken. Yun. May chicken ba yung lomi? Anyway, itry natin. So, search ko na lang kay Panlasang Pinoy kung ano ba yung mga ingredients ng lomi. Kasi nag-crave din ako sa soup, sa noodles, ganyan. Tapos, yun. So, gusto kong mag-try mag-lomi mamaya. And, yun lang naman yung mga plano natin for today. Ang sarap ng bread sa Valerios. Hindi siya yung matigas na kinabukasan. So, kung nasa California kayo, or kung saan part man may Valerios. Dito kasi sa San Diego, medyo may madaming branch yung Valerios. I think 2 or 3. Try niyo yung bread nila. Pag andito kayo sa area. It's really good. So, for today's activity, we're gonna be painting
The butterfly in the cup, in the cupcake.
acrylics na nabili namin kahapon sa Walmart.
Acrylics!
So, ito ay, I think $1 lang to isa. $1.
Yeah.
1 point something something. And then, yan, bumili na ako ng maraming paint kasi naubos namin agad yung mga maliliit. So,
Green!
that's our morning activity habang nag-edit ako ng video doon. Ay! Get a new one. So, she'll be painting the butterfly and I'll do the cupcake.
I'm gonna take all of the colors in the whole world.
What?
All the colors like a rainbow.
Let's open this one. Ooh.
Mom, help me with this.
Look at this.
Oh,
Ooh,
no,
look
no,
at
I
that.
do this. I need this.
Are we doing it the right way? Yeah, I think so. You have to put it there sa may sun later, no? Okay?
Okay.
It's okay. Just wash your hands later.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng mga ganitong activities kasi nakaka-relax siya. Tapos mura pa. $1 lang to.
No, it's not mula. $1 is so cheap.
Yeah, that's mura. This is one point something dollar lang. And then yung paint naman is, I think $4 siya. Pero 10 colors na siya. Tapos ganito siya kalaki. So, matagal mo siyang magagamit. And since mahilig kami mag-paint and crafts, sulit to sa amin. Right?
Yeah.
You can clean the brush here, oh, like that. Okay. That looks cool.
I'm gonna paint this purple and I'm gonna paint this pink and then purple, pink, purple, pink.
Okay.
All mixed together. Oh, I like this pink cause actually.
Ito si Chloe kasi nagmana siya sa akin. Mahilig siya sa arts and crafts kasi ganito din ako nung bata pa lang ako. Mahilig talaga ako sa ganito. Pag nagpapabili ako ng mga pagbibili kami laruan, yung pinipili kong bilhin is mga painting, ganyan. Tapos crayons. Mas prefer ko yung ganun kaysa totoong laruan. So, I think nagmana siya sa akin.
I like arts and crafts, right?
You do?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want stuff that's boring, you know,
Like what?
like glass.
No, but you need to start.
Like building a house. That's so boring. Like building a house.
What?
Like building a house and grow.
Now I'm gonna use the orange and yellow. Because I'm putting this on my sprinkles.
Tiny.
Looks fancy. Clean your brush, okay? Wipe it sa tissue here.
Oh, there's planes. Oh, there's planes.
Ooh.
Ma,
Hmm?
can you open the blue?
Yeah, wait lang. Are you sure you wanna use that one?
Yeah. Because
Lang what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing. So, pinukulayan ko lang yung sprinkles. Sobrang nakaka-relax to, grabe. Kung hindi kayo mahilig mag-color and all, I suggest you try this kasi magugustuhan nyo talaga. Right, Chloe?
yeah. Ooh.
Oh, I like your butterfly. Super colorful.
Yeah. How about yours? You need to finish the 3 more sprinkles. And you need that, yeah, after this.
Okay, just be careful not to spill the paint, okay?
I'm gonna be careful.
Because we're gonna use
I
this one.
suggest you need to try this because it's so beautiful, relaxing. I suggest you try this. every time.
Oh, you're talking to them, huh? What are you saying?
I was painting and then it's so relaxing.
Relaxing.
Relaxing. Relaxing.
Relaxing.
It's like
so
a
relaxing.
massage. Right, massage. You never try this. You need to try this. Me too. I never tried this. The glass painting.
So fun, right?
Yeah. It has to make them keep one by one safe.
Ooh. Is that gonna be a rainbow butterfly?
Yes. You can easily mix it.
What did you say again? It's so?
Rainbow.
It's so?
Rainbow.
Oh no, you said something. It's so?
Relaxing.
Relaxing?
Relaxing.
Bulol ka?
It's
Huh?
so relaxing.
Bulol ka po?
No, it's so relaxing.
What is that? This is my artwork. This is Chloe's artwork. And this is the face of the artist. No, not like that. Not like that. Don't touch this.
I'm gonna bullock.
The face of the artist. And the teeth of the artist.
Don't show my
Are you gonna do this pa?
Yes.
Or tomorrow naman?
I'm gonna do it because
Okay.
I have art tomorrow, like crafting.
Do yours na.
Oh, it can be washable, like. Oh, so washable. Washable.
Do yours na. Can I see? Oh my god. So pretty. Just finish this one. The cheeks and the nose, okay?
Okay, in the mouth.
Ayan, natuyo na siya. Ang ganda. Pag hinang mo siya sa room, yung magiging itsura niya. Ang cute. Maganda siyang crafts for kids. Okay, so 1 p.m. na and mainit na ulit. So, I think it's time na para i-water natin yung plants. Super init.
Sitting beside you. Okay, I'll just.
Chloe, it's good.
Yeah.
It's not recording. Okay. What did you do again? Show it to them.
I made like even a
A
hair.
hair.
This is
Ooh.
me.
Show it to the camera. Where's the hair? That's the hair. It's like a paper doll.
There's a paper
So
doll.
nice. You did that on your own? You cut the paper? Good job. Are you an artist?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.